pigs hanging out here in the hot tub. What do we got here?
We have a black air balloon with what looks like a Pink Floyd theme. Look at it.
Yeah, we can see Dark Side of the Moon.
So we didn't really see that.
Here's our beautiful ladies.
Morning.
I gotta zoom out a little bit.
Yeah.
We got the mountains in the background.
Like,
Beautiful morning, day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. We're not going shopping.
no need.
Yeah,
No.
we're going riding.
We are going riding.
That's what we do.
Good morning. We are headed to
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Again.
The girls have not gone.
Has not been there, neither have the girls, I guess, either, huh?
Nope.
None of the girls. So we're gonna ride out there. It's probably gonna be a bit of a chilly ride, so we're all kind of bundling up here.
Got a late start on the camera. We went and got coffee. Had some bomb cinnamon rolls.
And eggs.
Sourdough, eggs. And now we're getting ready to rock and roll.
Control it.
Mom's gonna be riding hers today. Well, we'll see you guys on the road. Peace.
So honey, what did you think about your first time riding your own motorcycle right across the Hoover Dam? It's a big milestone for you. Did you ever think that was ever going to happen when you first started riding?
No. No.
Up and down Spearfish Canyon, that
No.
was about it, right?
That was about it. I was going to keep my motorcycle in South Dakota. I was not going to ride in Arizona at all. And here I am.
Well, now you just rode 150 miles to get here from Lake Havasu.
Yep.
How'd that go?
That went pretty well. I'm going to want
you
a
sore?
fairing. Yep. I'm going to want a fairing and my bars adjusted.
Well, you're going to get
my
risers.
shoulders and my neck is sore.
Yeah.
My lower back a little bit just because of how I'm sitting, but for the most part it's good. It's a good experience.
Well,
I'm glad I
we're
can
gonna-
be here with the family and the boys. This is what I've always wanted to do is ride with my kids. Keegan, I've always come here. Keegan.
get in the
Your
shot.
dad's the
Quick.
one that's kicking me. I'm not your wife.
Oh. Hi, Mom.
So
How are
So
you
what'd you
feeling?
think? Riding with your mom. Did you ever think that would be something you guys would do?
No, I'm so used to just the women being on the back.
Yeah, I
This
know.
is
I'm used to doing this by myself.
Yeah. Yeah, you are.
it's been pretty fun.
It's fun.
Hi, Delorier. Last time we were here, your name was mentioned in our videos. What do you think, girls? Now, have you ever been here before?
I was young.
Little girl.
I was having some issues though. It's very big.
One of them Ferraris.
Ferrari. 4 Keys.
Well, we're not going to spend a lot of time filming here at the dam because we've just did this. And our video just came out, actually. But there's a lot of people. Look at all those people. My gosh. It's a beautiful afternoon in November. In the end of November.
Pretty spectacular.
All right. Well, we have made it to Hoover. Wow. We were up there, and now we're down here.
Yep.
Well, it was a fun day.
It was a good day.
We're not even done
We
yet.
we did a few little back road type things.
Yep.
That I forgot though how much I like that Highway 68 that comes down into Laughlin.
Yeah.
We climbed out of there and I would be like ready to go back down. Yep. It wasn't a direct route,
Mm-mm.
but I don't know, it added about 25 miles.
Yeah.
But it's a good experience for your mom being a new rider.
Yep.
And the interstate was making her nervous, but she's gonna have to
get used
man
to
up
it.
on the way home because the sun is ready to set.
Yep.
It's on the downward spiral.
Yeah.
We went over that bridge
And
again.
she wants to go to a Christmas tree lighting too.
I
No.
know.
That's at 6 o'clock. We'll be home by then.
Should be. Unless we decide to.
But I just don't know what to do for supper.
Well, maybe tonight's the night that we don't plan anything and we just do our whatever.
Maybe we go to Rosati's.
Dude, yes. That sounds so
I'm
good.
down for some pizza.
Oh my gosh, yes. Some square cut, extra saucy pizza.
Oh, dude, you had me.
Yeah.
That's a cool shirt.
Thanks. So our boys out on the East Coast.
He didn't want to eat cinnamon rolls this morning, but we're gonna go get pizza.
Trying to keep the carbs down, trying to eat good. I mean, dude, this whole time riding, my hands didn't hurt.
That's good.
Yeah.
My hands
Well,
did.
that's good.
When you get older and your body starts building inflammation, you got to learn to get it out. So
Yep.
you can keep functioning.
Okay.
But anyway, it's been a pleasure
It has been.
riding with you guys. I always enjoy these Thanksgiving weeks.
Yep. It is always an adventure.
Yep.
And I love it. Ah, look who decided to join us.
We got lost. There was a line. We had to wait in line.
Your dad shared it.
I heard that Deloria has a speech to give.
Oh, no.
Does she?
Wait, what?
No.
She's camera shy. She'll get used to it.
Honey, express your feelings.
You tell me how much you love me.
I think it's just pretty cool that for the first time I'm not on the back of the bike.
Now, have you been here before?
Yeah, don't
No.
fall over.
I've
what do
not
you
been
think?
to Hoover Dam before.
Isn't this
It's what's
incredible?
yeah, what's really
Hey,
cool. I did not realize that the water was pretty much, you know,
The level of it?
well, just the between the two states.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't realize that, so
Colorado River.
I guess I should have known that. So that's pretty cool. But it's so massive. It's probably like the Grand Canyon where until you see it, you really don't get the grasp of how big it is. It feels, and there's a ton of concrete. It's pretty amazing.
I know.
The concrete.
Down here.
What do you think, babe?
Concrete.
Like it? It's cool? Yeah? What about you, Michaela?
The power lines.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to
Or
be the
whatever the
lineman to do
highway-
that.
No.
No way.
Where are we?
Damn.
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 Imagine being the guy, like, oh yeah, just throw me across the canyon and I'll hook it up.
Like,
Right? Is that what this is?
imagine having
Makes
to
sense why they have their
install
own
that.
big substation right over
Wouldn't
there.
want to work on it. That's why they make good money.